Greetings, curious minds. Welcome to a journey of discovery, where the universe of knowledge awaits your exploration. Whether you're a seasoned scholar or a budding enthusiast, we invite you to join us as we delve into the fascinating world of Apophis, the god of destruction approaches Earth. In 2029, the world will witness a celestial spectacle as the massive asteroid Apophis, often dubbed the god of destruction, makes an extraordinarily close pass by Earth. While scientists have assured us that there is no risk of a collision in 2029, the asteroid's size and proximity have sparked significant interest and concern. Apophis, measuring approximately 1,100 feet, 340 meters in diameter, is a near-Earth asteroid, NEA, that will safely pass by our planet at a distance of about 19 million miles, 31 million kilometers. To put that into perspective, that's roughly 40 times farther away from Earth than the Moon. Despite the safe distance, Apophis's massive size and speed, estimated to be around 22 miles per second, 35 kilometers per second, make it a formidable object. One of the primary reasons for concern is the uncertainty surrounding Apophis's orbit. While scientists have a general understanding of its trajectory, various factors, including the gravitational influence of other planets and the Yarkovsky effect, a phenomenon caused by the uneven heating of an asteroid's surface, can introduce uncertainties. This means that the asteroid's exact path could potentially deviate slightly from its predicted course. If Apophis were to collide with Earth, the consequences could be catastrophic. The impact would release an immense amount of energy, equivalent to hundreds of nuclear bombs, causing widespread destruction and potentially leading to significant climate change. Fortunately, the chances of such a collision are extremely low, but the potential consequences make it imperative to monitor Apophis closely. To better understand Apophis and its trajectory, astronomers and scientists worldwide will be observing the asteroid using a variety of telescopes and spacecraft. The European Space Agency's Gaia mission and NASA's NEOWISE, Near-Earth Object Wide Field Infrared Survey Explorer, are just a few of the instruments that will be employed to gather data on Apophis's size, shape, and composition. The close approach of Apophis in 2029 presents a unique opportunity for scientists to study a large NEA up close. By observing the asteroid, they can gain valuable insights into its structure, composition, and the factors that influence its orbit. This information can be used to improve our understanding of asteroid dynamics and enhance our ability to predict and prepare for potential future threats. While Apophis poses no immediate danger to Earth, its close encounter in 2029 serves as a reminder of the potential hazards posed by near-Earth objects. By studying Apophis and other asteroids, scientists are working to develop strategies to protect our planet from future impacts and ensure the long-term survival of humanity. The images in this article use action and thought-provoking visuals to enhance my message. Let me know what you think. Share your comments and subscribe for more.